Drones save people. New technologies help us every day. Pelixar SAR is a drone system for water search and rescue. This system allows you to monitor water facilities, coastlines, rivers, and other bodies of water. Thanks to its zoom lens and thermal imaging camera, it is possible to identify castaways or drowning people quickly. The drone delivers rescue equipment such as a buoy, collar, or rescue belt to the person in the water and allows him or her to be towed to safety. The system allows for better monitoring and hazard identification at water facilities and the ability to respond quickly. It is a tool for lifeguards, which helps them increase their effectiveness. The Pelixar SAR system is especially well suited to areas with limited access and limited visibility. Pelixar SAR. The future is today.